Come on, you gotta ask me fit check.
Oh crap. I forgot I was doing the vlog. Let me get y'all in the vlog.
Oh, this is sick.
Fuck it, I'ma get it off my chest. Made a nigga perfect for his next low.
Can I have a large matcha?
Ice matcha.
Oh, wait. Before you go to get some music, do you want to say hi to the camera? Hello.
I just had to come back and order me a new iced matcha latte because the other one had milk in it, and it was on me because I forgot to say oat milk. But y'all, I barely could even drink it. Thank you. Without I don't think it was a mind thing. Like I don't think it's because I know because it's milk. I couldn't drink it. No, it's just something about oat milk with matcha. It's a different type of smoothness, but with the regular 2% whole, I don't even know. It's just that's a weird watery taste. This?
Thank you.
Thank you, Mom. But today's adventure, it's my spring break, and Mom booked me a photo shoot, and for the place we're going to for me is this record shop in DC, and I'm very excited because today, I don't know, I just feel like it's anew of like me just, I don't know, presenting myself out there to the world, really, like just showing a different side, and also just establishing stuff as far as like content, me and my artistry and whatnot. So I'm very excited. I got props with me. The matcha being this, y'all, I would never just get, I'm lying, I would just get this on any type of day, but like I got the big matcha, and then back there I got my Tony Hawk skateboard, even though I haven't skateboarded in like almost 4 years, really, realistically, pushing 5. So yeah, and then of course I got my beautiful mom with me. This is so excited.
Couldn't really understand, like, why would somebody kill her? Like, what did she do?
It's fine, it's all part of it.
Alright.
Oh,
You can call me Carter or Mac.
are you from Mr.
Like, I feel like
Mr. Mac! Mr. Mac! You ready for the picture, Mr. Mac?
Next thing, I'm gonna strap it up to you in the record store. It's gonna be like around your chest.
Around my
Next
chest.
thing, you're basically gonna be walking in. Like, I'm gonna do like a little video of you walking into the store. I think I allow it. And next thing, we should go where you go pick out your records and stuff.
Okay.
There's gonna be a video of you. Like, just figuring
It'll
it
be
out.
a video of her hands and stuff.
Oh, this is sick. Okay, it's cool. Guys, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. It's so hard. Oh, it's hard. My headphones. be in my video?
Sure.
Hi. All right, what's your name?
My name's Neil. I'm the owner of Som Records. Hi.
Hi, nice to meet you. This is the generous guy who lets take a photo shoot. This is so sick. This is so sick.
I got
My
took a lot of
first
photos of it. That's
photo
what
shoot
So
with
I'm gonna send you guys the photos.
Mick Carter.
To others.
It was a success, guys. I'm so excited.